Welcome to Learn Instrumentation Engineering YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about degrading logic. What is basically degrading logic? Because this plays a major role in process safety management for trip action. So in this video we would be detailedly discussing about degrading logic with suitable example. In the previous video, we have discussed voting logic. So if you haven't seen that video, I have uploaded the video link in our description. Please watch that video. So in this YouTube channel, we would be learning basic fundamentals and concepts of instrumentation and control systems. Also, we would be covering latest technological updates that is happening in and around globally on instrumentation. Apart from that, we also cover latest news that centers around instrumentation and control system and oil and gas news as well. So if you are a budding instrumentation student or an instrumentation engineer or you're an expert in the field of instrumentation, do subscribe to our channel Learn Instrumentation Engineering YouTube channel. So let's get into this video. Okay, what is basically degrading logic? Let's assume there is a pipeline and we have three different pressure transmitters, and these are all safety transmitters. So I would name them as PSITs. So there are three pressure safety instruments, and I would name this as PSIT 501 alpha, and this is PSIT 501 bravo, and this third PSIT as 501 Charlie. So we have a process gas flow which is getting into this pipeline, and if the pressure gets low, that is PSLL. So if the pressure gets low, we have three independent transmitters, and if the three transmitters sense the pressure low, it would generate a trip action. Here we are using 2 out of 3 voting logic to execute this alpha, bravo, Charlie transmitters. So totally we do have 3 transmitters, and we're using 2 out of 3 voting logic over here. In ideal condition, all the 3 transmitters would be working in line, and they are supposed to sense the low pressure PSLL. So if all the 3 transmitter senses low pressure A, B, C. So in ideal condition, all the 3 transmitters are in line and they are working and functioning well. In ideal condition, this transmitter will get into 2 out of 3 voting. So the ESD algorithm will not wait for the third transmitter. Though if any 2 transmitter wins the logic, that is, if any 2 transmitter senses low pressure, immediately an ESD trip action will occur. This is in ideal condition. We do have 3 pressure transmitters. So these are the different permutation of combination A, B, B, C, C, A. So we have 3 individual pressure transmitters, and we have 3 different permutation of combination for 2 out of 3 voting. So A, B, B, C, C, A. And if 2 out of 3 voting is successful, then trip action will be executed by ESD control algorithm. Okay, so this is basically 2 out of 3 voting. Now coming to the degrading logic, we are having 3 transmitter alpha, bravo and Charlie. Now there is a different scenario. Bravo transmitter, that is PSIT 501 bravo, this transmitter is not available, and alpha and Charlie, these 2 transmitters are working in line. Okay, they are available. Maybe this transmitter may be under maintenance, okay, or this transmitter may be faulty, so it is not going to sense any pressure, it is not going to give any indication. Since it's not able to measure any pressure, it does not measure and control, okay. Basically we used to call it as not available. So this transmitter is not available. During an operation, if one of the transmitter gets faulty or under maintenance or not available due to any reasons, now we do have only two transmitter which is in working condition. So now what happens during this scenario? We have degradation over here. So now this voting logic 2 out of 3 would be degraded to 1 out of 2, because we have totally two transmitter only, Charlie and Alpha. So the total number of instrument is 2 and the voting will be degraded from 2 to 1. So that is called 1 out of 2. This is called degradation logic. We have only two transmitter, Alpha and Charlie, and if Alpha transmitter senses pressure low, it not wait for Charlie, immediately trip action will be executed. So this is called 1 out of 2 voting. So basically our 2 out of voting has been degraded to 1 out of 2. So this is called degradation logic. So basically any voting logic would be degraded to a lower level for process safety management. That's a very important word. This is called process safety management. So in order to protect the asset, environment and equipment, we would be degrading the logic for the process safety management compliance. So this is called degradation logic. So this is so in this video you would have got a very good detailed understanding of trip logic and degradation logic with this suitable example. So if you found this video to be very useful, kindly hit the thumbs up button and share to instrumentation and control engineering community. If you want to watch such instrumentation video, please subscribe to our channel Learn Instrumentation Engineering. Thank you.